Reading practice of Lesson 46, Volume 1.
Dear Lydia, thank you for your cablegram offering your congratulations of my promotion to President of the General Electronics Manufacturing Company. Period. I have an idea that the grapevine is working overtime, for I did not actually tell anybody about my promotion until 8 p.m. Friday, at which time I told my executive staff, I hope to take over within 3 weeks, period. I already have several well-organized programs in mind for General Electronics and its subsidiaries, period. However, before I start on these programs, I will probably take advantage of the opportunity to take my family on a 2-week vacation, When you return from Europe, please call me and we will have lunch in our new self-service restaurant, which you will find is a unique dining experience. Period. Sincerely yours, Practice number 9. Dear Dr. Yell, today, new techniques in the use of electronics in accounting have been perfected, period. They are rapidly being introduced in many
Various
types of businesses, period. At the Empire Trust Company, we ourselves are preparing for the future by installing a modern, highly efficient electronic accounting system, period. We are doing this in order to continue to furnish our clients the kind of helpful facilities that have become characteristic of our bank, To this end, we have assigned an individual account number to every account in each classification, whether it's a regular checking account, a savings account, or some other special type of account, period. This number will enable to us to give you any information you may need easily and efficiently, period. In addition, the number will enable us to prove the
accuracy
of your account electronically at any hour of the day or night, period. Whether you want information at 6 a.m. or 6 p.m., you will get it electronically within few seconds, period. As you can see, this valuable new program will be of great importance both to you and to us. Paragraph. Your identification number will be imprinted automatically on the checks in your next Empire Trust Company checkbook, period. Cordially yours, Reading practice number 10. Dear Mr. Edwin, because you are advertising manager of the International Electric Company, I am sure that you will be interested in the following significant statistics, 1 out of every 4 people read today's world, period. That means that, in all likelihood, anywhere from 48 million to 50 million people ultimately read the 8 million copies of our newspaper that we publish quickly, period. More people read today's world than watch any single, regularly scheduled television program in the prime hours of 7 to 10 p.m. Paragraph. Isn't this the medium a
progressive
forward-looking organization like yours should be using to advertise its electronic calculators and other electrical equipment, Mr. Edwin, paragraph. When you program the next advertising budget, be sure to include space in today's world, period. If you wish to have a copy of our rate card, we will be glad to forward it to you on request. period, sincerely yours, comma. Reading practice number 11, gentlemen, colon, at 2 yesterday afternoon, we shipped you via the National Transport Company 1,000 copies of the convention program of the Southern Electric Appliance Manufacturers Association, period. The shipment was marked for the attention of Mrs. Maria Swift, comma, corresponding secretary, comma, at the
Chamber of Commerce,
building at 15 West Trenton Street in Atlanta, paragraph. These copies replace those we delivered in which the name of the speaker was misspelled in one paragraph, period. The copies should arrive in time to be distributed at your initial meeting at 4 p.m. on Saturday, paragraph. It's impossible for us to explain how the mistake occurred, comma, but we hope you will accept our apologies and our wish that your convention is a very successful, comma, worthwhile one, period. Yours sincerely, comma. Reading practice number 12. Dear Mr. Lopez, colon, unfortunately, comma, it's impossible for me to give you a plausible or satisfactory reason for the error we made on the circular we printed for your organization, comma, the National Electronics Company, period. However, comma, we apologize with all sincerity, period. Ordinarily, comma, we follow a strict program, period. We usually proofread each piece that we printed at least 2 or 3 times, comma, but someone obviously released your circular without proofreading it, paragraph. Under the circumstances, comma, we are reprinting the circular immediately, period. Of course, comma, there will be no charge for this reprinting, comma, Mr. Lopez, period. The 2,000 copies of the reprinting circular should be in your office by the close of the business day at 5 p.m. on Friday, comma, January 3, period. Yours very truly, comma.